comes the GOAT, the man himself, Messi, and you can hear the ground just resonating with the sounds of Messi, Messi, that's what it is. And Uppal Stadium here has lit up with the arrival of these three superstars.
We can see the legends, the GOAT. We can hear the heartbeat of Hyderabad just got louder. Listen to that rhythm from the crowd. That is the sound of the Deccan. We can see on the screen the GOAT, the legend, Messi, Rodrigo Paul, and with him, the Luis Suarez also. See the sound, the roaring from the stands.
Yeah, Rodriguez and Loris always accompany Leo wherever he travels, wherever he goes in, as Lionel Messi. Now that is something that we were all witnessing for. That is something that you just can't take your eyes away. Right here in Uppal Stadium of the RGI International Stadium, right here in Uppal, Hyderabad. This is a phenomenal moment. Leo himself being right here, and the game is on. I'm sure the game is on right here as a friendly match, of course, as RR9 lead this 1-0. But right here from the commentary box as well, we also are feeling that kind of excitement from the box, and also as the legend himself. And I'll tell you what, he's just called the GOAT for all the reasons, for most reasons, because he's gone out there and made sure the world actually celebrates the way he plays out. And I was mentioning about, of course, Ronaldo. He's been there 10 years elder to Messi as well, but Ronaldo was an inspiration to Messi. That's exactly what it is. Messi saw him play, and of course the love actually exchanged by the Brazilian superstar as well, calling Messi when he comes out, it'll be really nice. And let me tell, for every football fan watching this is not going to be on the goals to decide the winners. It's going to be a shootout that's going to happen, a penalty shootout that's going to happen between Messi and Revanth Reddy, as another small opportunity, but that was not being converted nicely.
See, one more thing we have observed from the Singareni's team. Every time from the right flank, see, the jersey number 9 had taken the shot, but unfortunately, it was a good save by the goalkeeper.
And also should have, of course, rightly pointed out, and the right flank actually getting completely active. That's where I was trying to tell as well, Swarna, because when you have that right flank so much from the right footers going in, it will actually allow the defense to align themselves to stop the ball. Especially when Leo goes in with his left foot, there is where he creates the confusion. That's why he's the GOAT. That's why I was talking about his left foot from the right flank as well.
Yes, that is the way. We are watching for Messi to join the team, to see the magic in his left foot. Within few seconds, maybe he joined the team, Naveen.
This is a nice view as well for him to look at these youngsters. He's going to train them as well for a few minutes. That's what I've been told as well. Because more and more important for him to go out there and make sure that he imparts his immense knowledge, just invaluable knowledge, that he could go out there and make the youngsters feel the real legend, real GOAT, going out there and coaching them and probably giving them some tips. It'd be really nice for him to actually come down. And also, more importantly, what's more nice about it, like I was mentioning, for his career to bloom and grow and shine, this is where you always feel the parents, the support from the parents can create legends and GOATs like Leo Messi, as the leader of opposition is there.
Coming back, we can see on screen Mr. Rahul Gandhi on the stage witnessing the friendly match here in Hyderabad. Yes, I totally agree with you, Naveen. He had totally undergone a lot of hardships. That is what so many of sacrifices from his parents, from his coaches, what a support he had got.
And also, that is so nice that he's played for Barca so long. And of course, right now, of course, he's there representing Inter. As the coaches, of course, will be really happy to mention their team names as well. I'm sure he did shoot in the left foot, and there comes Revanth Reddy, the Chief Minister of Telangana, as he is completely ready in the attire as he walks in. 3-0 against Messi All-Stars. It's not 2-0, that's 3-0.
His dream came true, Naveen. Yes, this is the magic. This is the moment to Mr. Revanth Reddy to join the team. The officials, match officials, Sri James Stalin, the match commissioner, the Palgunas, the secretary, and the match officials there, Krishna Reddy and Tatam Naidu, and the center referee, Mr. Khalil.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, Swarna, for me, I've been a sports person all my life. I think for me, I have not seen a chief minister play a sport so seriously in his life. I guess for me, Revanth Reddy becomes the first ever chief minister, if I'm not completely wrong in my history books. He becomes the first ever chief minister to be so fit to play the sport at the highest level. Yes, he's got his responsibilities as an administrator, as a leader, as a leader of the state, as a chief minister of the state. He's got his responsibilities, who's been really, really good in executing them. But as a sportsman, as a chief minister, I don't recall, apart from Revanth Reddy, do you recall anybody as a chief minister who can be so fit and play in the shots going out there?
Not at all.
Isn't it?
He's just setting an example over
Totally.
here in Hyderabad, playing football, maintaining his fitness more than his duties. He joined the team since a long back. He's practicing football and made his fitness levels and
I'll tell you
here.
what. I think he's been a good administrator because he's so fit. Because you have that physical fitness that automatically transfers your mental fitness as well. So much of mental powers that's been needed, especially to run a state. And like Telangana as a state who's trying to get, everything for them.
See the spirit.
Oh, is that a goal? Is that a goal? Yes, it is. It is Revanth Reddy going out there and scoring the fourth one. Well, what a way to begin this. It's the fourth goal for RR9 and it's coming from their skipper, the captain of the state, the chief minister, Revanth Reddy himself.
Once again, the goalkeeper was beaten. It is a loose ball. Revanth Reddy taking the chance and it's a beautiful finish.
Phenomenal. What a way to go out there and announce his arrival in the football ground as well. He's become the chief minister of Telangana for the first time. And for me, he's one of the best examples of all the chief ministers to go out there and be so fit and play the game. Like I mentioned, if you're fit physically, you can do a lot of wonders mentally as well. Because I'll tell you what, we all know politics is not easy. Politics needs a lot of brains put together. And because of his fitness, I guess he's done really well.
Once again, back in action, the ball in possession with Revanth Reddy. Yes, the Singareni team and nice interception with Messi team. And the ball got deflection. Once again, the left full back, it's a deflection from him and the ball possession with Messi team here, going for the direct free kick.
Finally, they got something towards themselves, isn't it? Revanth Reddy scoring that fourth goal was really good. So, yeah, speak of examples that's been said. There we go. Can the GOAT join in? He's waiting there in the dugout. He's waiting there to run in. As Leo Messi comes in here to this wonderful RGI Uppal Stadium. It is resonating with Messi. Everybody goes out there as he makes his way in. Phenomenal time here in the GOAT Tour 2025. And I'm Naveen Shaurya alongside with Swarnalata right here, witnessing history in the making as well. This is such a proud moment for everybody as a fan, as a big supporter of the game. May it be any sport, fitness support, that is so real, that is so nice as he shakes hands. First, of course, with Messi All-Stars, Levin, and then the officials, Khalil, and the players will all be nice. And there is Revanth Reddy, the man who scored the fourth goal. The signing of the ball happens as Revanth Reddy and Lionel Messi share a nice camaraderie as well as footballers, both of them. That is a phenomenal sight at the RGI grounds in Uppal, Hyderabad, Swarna.
See the happy faces with all the kids, with all the officials, especially Revanth Reddy, and not lesser than the Messi, the legend, the GOAT. The ball with him. See the audience cheering up, Messi! What a fantastic moment it was.
Oh, right. Now comes the most awaited and the diamond moment here. Yeah, the ball with Messi. Oh, the pass was far enough. The pass was far enough to beat the GOAT right there. The ultimate moment for everybody is right here.
A historic exchange between the Chief Minister and the legend. What a moment it was, Naveen.
And also, more importantly, I'm sure Messi knows that Revanth Reddy has scored a goal against his team, against Messi All-Stars. But yeah, like we all keep reminding ourselves, yes, this is the friendly encounter that's going to happen as Revanth Reddy and everybody going out there and making sure that the fans are thoroughly enjoying this moment. But I'll tell you what, we also need to, highlight the other superstars have also been joining in with the legend, with GOAT India tour that's happening as well. So thanks to them. But more importantly, the sport is going to grow from here. Everybody will take a lot of inspiration from Leo. Everybody will make sure that they will go out there and try and at least have that physical fitness. Is that the goal? Oh, yes it is! The coach right there wanted to save that one. What's his name? We spoke to him right there.
Mr. Vinod.
Mr. Vinod wanted to stop a goal that was coming in from the GOAT, but the ball won it. The goalpost was beaten. Come on, Mr. Vinod. Can't be stopping the GOAT's goal. Yeah, come on.
They are exchanging the passes. The pace is hitting up the roof of the stadium.
No doubt. The adrenaline rush, the excitement as the other straight shot. Yes, it is. The left foot comes out. We saw the third goal also from Messi All-Stars, his forward striker coming out with the left foot. And there was that easy left foot goal that we saw.
Yes, we have seen the Inter Miami setting their rhythm. And yes, they are going for a group pick.
Yeah, that's a moment, isn't it? That's a moment. And look at this. As the GOAT, as the legend himself, he's squatting down. He's squatting there. And so is Revanth Reddy. That is sports. It teaches you to be humble. It teaches you to be, inclusive. It teaches you to accommodate everybody alongside with you in your life. And this is exactly why we say you play a sport in your life, you will achieve a lot of things. Physically, mentally, psychologically, you're going to be fit and fine every single time. Play some sport. I want to say to everybody watching this live and exclusive on DD Sports and Prasar Bharati's all channels.
It's just awesome. No words at all to see this moment. Mr. Revanth Reddy, the humble person, setting an example for all the kids, young talents. This is football. Here we start today. And let's see the journey of football in Hyderabad in future.
I'll tell you what, you're here, right here from Hyderabad. I guess, you should probably go out there and tell your Chief Minister as well. We will want to have a phenomenal football stadium to going out there and if possibly done. I know the land acquisitions, I know all the process that's there behind it. Can't just keep making claims, but he himself as a footballer, I'm sure he can do a lot for football in the future coming days.
See, Naveen, today is a magical day for the person standing behind him, the officials. See, the man, the match commissioner, Mr. J.M. Stalin, he worked a lot behind the referees of the football or the kids. What is happening here in the street, he's the man behind.
Yeah, totally. So I guess, the Chief Minister has to work alongside with everybody, because today here we are having this football match in the RGI Stadium, a cricket stadium. But yes, that's been converted into a football goalpost. But we really want to see a small little football stadium also coming out there at the international standards. Like say for example, the Kantirava Stadium right there in Bengaluru. There are more other stadiums, of course, in Kolkata. Today we saw the huge love that came in the Vivekananda Stadium as well. So yes, I'm sure, as a footballer himself, there is so much more nice that he can bring along. But having said that, huge gratitude and applause is going in for everybody. As Suarez kicks it out. Oh, that was almost in the top tier. As Suarez's kick, that was strong enough to go out there and reach the top tier. And all the administrators now, Has Leo got the ball? Has the goat got his ball? Where is the left foot coming? The left foot goes almost outside the stadium, I should say, but that's even hit the top roof. Phenomenal. So much power there and so much love that's been shown in.